The Victorinox Classic is the most sold Victorinox Swiss Army knife worldwide, and it is considered to be the standard 58mm model. It's small but functional, and it's a great addition to any EDC setup. I purchased the Classic SD version, which is slightly different from the Classic version, so stick around until the end to find out why I chose the Classic SD. Hi guys, it's Naz. In this unboxing and review, I'll tell you everything you need to know about the Victorinox Classic SD. I purchased the black color variation for my mom as she lost her small knife. The color is called Dark Illusions from the Classic Colors range. I've left a link in the description if you want to check it out. If you already have the knife, let me know what you like and don't like about it. The Victorinox Classic SD comes in a nice little box, which doesn't include much other than the knife and the paperwork. The knife is available in a lot of different colors, so it's easy to match with your everyday carry gear. The black version looks slick, elegant and stylish. In fact, I'll be scared to put it on my keychain because it looks too good. It's slim and lightweight. It will disappear into your pocket on its own, or it will make a great addition to your keychain. One downside is that the black shiny scales will attract a lot of fingerprints, but I think that will be less of an issue after a few weeks of use when it has a few more usage marks. Please subscribe and hit the like button. This really helps grow my channel. I really appreciate it. On the outside, the Victorinox Classic SD has a keyring attachment. In my opinion, this is the best way to carry the Classic SD. The tweezers and the toothpick are also on the outside. The tweezers are high quality and really easy to use. The toothpick comes in handy in an emergency. The scissors are probably the most handy tool on this Swiss Army knife. They work surprisingly well for being such a small pair of scissors. Once you get used to them, you can quickly cut through paper, cardboard and thin pieces of plastic. The blade comes in handy to open packages and as a scraper. It's easily accessible and it would come in handy more often than you'd think. The nail file works well. It has a good grit that's perfect for the nails. The nail file combined with the tweezers and the scissors makes the Victorinox Classic SD a really good grooming tool. The tip of the nail file has a 2.5mm flathead screwdriver. The Victorinox Classic is available in two main variations, the Classic version and the Classic SD version. The Classic version has a nail cleaner tip on top of the nail file, while the Classic SD version has a 2.5mm flathead screwdriver on top of the nail file. I purchased the Classic SD version because it has more functionality with the flathead screwdriver than the Classic version, which only has the nail cleaner tip. You can clean under the nails using some of the tools that's available on the Classic SD version. This isn't the Classic version, by the way. This is the Victorinox Mini Champ A-Locks. It just has the same nail file as the Victorinox Classic. I just bought it out just to show you what the nail file on the Classic looks like. I'll do a review on this Victorinox Mini Champ later on. The Victorinox Classic SD Swiss Army Knife is the perfect EDC knife for those looking for a minimal EDC setup. It's also perfect for those looking for a small backup multi-tool to complete an EDC setup. It has the right combination of tools to make a light grooming toolkit. It's the perfect everyday carry tool that can be carried in almost every situation. Obviously, you can't carry this on a plane, but it's appropriate for almost every other situation. The sleek and small design means you can carry this tool wearing any type of clothes and it won't look out of place. You can wear it with a suit or you can wear it in casual clothes and it won't look out of place. You can check this knife out by clicking on the Amazon link in the description below. Please subscribe and smash the like button if you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you have this knife and how you use it. Thanks for watching.